Hello everyone, hope you've been doing well there. Today I'm going to share a video on how to make your own DIY soil mix for succulents and also how to do a succulent propagation. This is the Francesco succulent, which I have taken some of the leaves to propagate. You want to see the propagation? Alright, so these are the propagation of Francesco. Alright, let me show you how to do a leaf propagation. First of all, you have to select a really healthy plant. Right, choose a leaf that is firm to touch and plump and fleshy. So I'm going to choose this one and you're going to have a look. Okay, we just wriggle it left and right without much effort. Tilt it a little bit and pull it out. Okay, a nice leaf for propagation would be something like this. See the little white thing over there? That is what we want for leaf propagation. So you put them on dry soil. I will mist them only after a day or two when they start to form drier scabs like this. Right, during hotter and drier months, they scab faster. Otherwise, they shouldn't really take more than 3 or 4 days. When I see scabs like this form, I will give them a mist about every 2 days, and they will start to grow little roots. When they grow little roots and babies are formed, you can mist and water them more often, because the misting with a bit of moisture will help the root growth. I would do a very diluted hydrogen peroxide. So 2 ml hydrogen peroxide and 300 ml water, a very diluted one, and spray them every 2 to 3 days for good root growth. Right now I'm going to put all these little babies into a large pot, and I'll teach you how to make your own succulent soil mix. Okay, first of all, we have some cocoa fiber. It helps to retain moisture, and it helps the overall soil mix to be light and fluffy. So you can put more if you want. Alright, I'll first put this as a base first, followed by the regular cactus or succulent soil. Then we have this river sand. Alright, to help aerate and give space for breathing in between the soil. Granite stones, which is also to help to aerate. To put more stones in your succulent mix helps in better drainage, so the ratio for stones and soil will be 50-50. 60-40 even is also fine. I mean 60 stones, 40 soil. Alright, of course not forgetting our perlite. Perlite helps to balance up the weight of the entire pot, because too much stones would make the whole pot more heavy. And next, what is one lightweight ingredient is this vermiculite. Vermiculite has properties like ammonium, potassium, calcium and magnesium, which is exceptionally good for root growth. Okay, and lastly, some pine wood bark. Also further help aerate the soil and to prevent pests. Okay, pine bark is really good for preventing pests. At the stage of these babies right now, they do not need a very deep-rooted pot. So this level of soil will be more than enough for them. And it's planting time. Alright, look at this. It still has the mother leaf very well attached to it. And I'm going to leave it. Alright, they're all rooted already. As long as the succulents are rooted, they're good enough to go into soil. Okay, we put them a few inches apart so that they have enough room to grow. Do you know that succulents like to be crowded? They grow exceptionally well with more in the pot. For my Singapore fans out there, whatever plants that you see me planting in my videos, they're actually available for sale. Reach out to me if you're interested. How delicate they are. Most of them have been very well rooted. So proud of them. Maybe I get a little baby for this space. Okay, next what you want to do is to give them a good buff. Babies needs a bit more moisture than mature plants, so lightly mist the soil with a spray bottle every few days or when the soil feels dry. It's about every other day depending on also the season and weather that you are at. Now this is my pre-mixed solution of hydroperoxide and water. Alright, I use 3% hydrogen peroxide, which aids oxygen in the soil and also to provide healthy root growth. The mixture will be 500 ml with 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide, 500 ml water and 5 ml hydrogen peroxide, because they are still small and delicate. We do not want to overdo it, so I'll just do this once during this new repotting. Alright, so to help strengthen their roots, and then after that, as maintenance, you can do it probably once a month during your usual watering days. Alright, I hope you enjoy the session with me today, and remember to always plant your babies with love, and speaking to them with nice positive words every day can aid in their positive and healthy growth. Happy planting! Goodbye!